So yesterday I did a live and I just cleaned up my Graco Ultimate Nova 395 PC. So after I had taken everything apart and cleaned the machine and cleaned the gun and the filters and everything, this gun was spraying even when the trigger wasn't pulled. So I grabbed a plastic shopping bag and I put this under hot water and I put some soap and some detergent into the plastic bag with the gun and let it sit overnight, and that softened up all the paint. And then I just ran it under hot water this morning and kind of picked out behind the trigger here and all around it. So we'll see how it works now. In the past, I like to use brush and roller cleaner and put the tip and the filters and put the gun in that and let it sit overnight. You can get like a bucket or some Tupperware or something like that and just let it sit overnight and the stuff just like melts off. You just got to clean it under hot water. So after sitting overnight in the soap and the detergent and cleaning under hot water this morning, you can see it's spraying fine. And when you release the trigger, it's not spraying out. Yesterday it was coming out like full pressure. I was like, shit, I might need a new gun, but I figured a good cleaning would solve the problem, and it did. So you can see after I cleaned the gun really good, now when you let the trigger go, it stops spraying. After I finished my last spray job, I cleaned the machine out good, and then I used some of that Graco pump armor. I'll leave that in it, until the next job. Keeps the moving parts clean. So hopefully that helps you out if you had a problem with your spray gun and it's not stopping spraying. I have a few other videos about how to fix things on the Graco, and I make a lot of videos pressure washing and painting. So if you guys enjoyed the video, hit the subscribe button, like, comment, share, and hit the notification bell if you subscribe. So I post pretty much daily, and I do lives too. All right, guys. Hope everyone has a great day. Good luck with your spray equipment. Keep the money coming in.